Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Julia. Otherwise, welcome back to Makeup It Time with Julia. Guys, you know, on my last video I told you guys I will be coming out with another video, which will be nail video. Guys, I've done it. I have done it. Guys, check this out. This acrylic right here, the powder acrylic pre-mix glitter I use, we mix them ourselves. My daughter and myself, we wake up one morning, we said, let's do something. Where I used to work, that's how one of my colleagues talk. something. Anyway, so I will just quickly apply clear because the pre-mix glitter I'm going to use, which is this very one, involve pigment. You know those pigment you use for eyeshadow. So that's what it involves, both colors. So in order for that not to stain my skin, because first time trying it, we use mold to try the consistency and everything, but I have not tried it on my skin. So I'm just trying it on my skin right now on camera with you guys. When we were missing this glitter acrylic, the mistake we made was we did not film it. We did not even think of bringing phone out, you know, just recording. But after we've done with numerous times of trying the consistency and everything, how we want it, how much pigment we want, how much glitter we want, what type of glitter we want, do we want multiple type of glitter? After we finalize everything, we say yes, we are good to go. Then we not realize, we didn't film it. So that's lesson learned. So I've already thinking of making a video, just a video how I mix this acrylic with other colors, of course. So we're gonna make at least 5 colors of pre-mix glitter acrylic, just to show you guys how we mix this. So applying them, guys, is just effortless, better than the one I bought on Amazon. It dried down. The one I have, the blue I have done so far, it dried down already. You are ready to copy, or you are ready to file it down. It's dried already. There is one the packet, a set I bought on Amazon, guys, about 3 or 2 shades inside that. Out of that 8 colors, yeah, 2 of them or 3 just don't dry down. It's so frustrating. One time I had to, like, 3 attempts just to do one set of nails. I was so frustrated. Then after that, I was like, I believe I can mix acrylic by myself to get the consistency I want. Like, these people were actually taking the biscuit. There are fake stuff out there, guys. There are too many fake stuff on Amazon and eBay. It's just so crazy. So that's what actually drove me to just say, you know what, let me do one. So this is actually the one I miss, which is the yellow one, and the blue one, obviously the one my daughter missed. So guys, so that was the reason we end up missing our own. So we know what goes in there and try it on my nails. If it work on my nails how I want it, I will able to sell it. No, this mass production they just put on Amazon that is not, it's not drying down. I was so frustrated. Anyway, so the next step here is to use this transparent. This transparent, when I do ombre or when I do anything to do with glitter, I want to preserve that glitter or ombre because I don't want to fight them, don't want to touch them. So I will use a transparent to cover them. They call it cap in a nail salon, community. So what I'm doing now, I'm capping it. It's like covering everything. I want to preserve the glitter. So you can see the glitter is looking beautiful. Like, guys, I was so proud. My daughter and myself, we were so proud. Like, wow, we can actually, you know, just sit here and put something together that works. The amount of pigment, the amount of glitter, the amount of acrylic is just so amazing. Like, guys, I can sell this. Tell you what, I can sell this. So anyway, so what I'm doing right here is just continue to pull transparent all over my nails. Just continue to do so. So guys, make sure you leave your comment below. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, and thank you so much for all your support. And I hope 2022 is treating you guys so well. The video I did on everything 5pound.com, you guys seems to like those type. Twice I have done video like that now. You guys seems to enjoy that video and like that type of video very, very well. Seems to be doing well compared to my average video. So with all the support I got on that video, the comment, I want to thank you guys. Please guys, continue to do more, because as you are continue to leave comment below, to like and share and subscribe and stuff like that, you are actually encouraging me to carry on with this channel, because it's really tough out here. It's tough on YouTube. It's tough on YouTube like never before. It's really extremely tough for a smaller creator, they call them, or micro, I don't know what they call them. People like us who have less than whatever K, who is under K, or who is just above K. It's really hard on us on this street. Anyway guys, so I have filed the nails. If you want me to do a video, separate video how I file my nails, please guys, don't hesitate to leave your comment below. I will just make a video how I file my nails. So all the filing has done now. I intend to cut the video short, because a long video nobody is interested, except is you are reviewing clothing, everything 5pound.com, and you got it for £2.50. So I tend to cut every video I'm doing short. So yes, this is now the final look of the nail DIY my daughter and myself put together. Like I said, I'm going to make a separate video in future just how I made them. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave me a thumbs up.